we will be trying out today. We have some really kind of random objects, a few more typical ones, but like I said, kind of the theme of this video is testing out really weird crafting supplies to see if it's a good product to invest in. So we have a wine bottle cutter, some weird scissors that have a little laser, a ribbon crimper, which I'm not sure what you would ever use this for, wood burner, some molds, and some gold leaf, which I think this is a more common crafting supply. I think it's called gold leaf. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm gonna try and look that up and maybe correct myself later on in the video. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and get tested. So honestly, I think this one by far, the little ribbon crimper, is the weirdest one I found. I mean, I didn't even know this thing existed. Got this one off of Wish. Yeah, don't know what you would actually use this for, but I don't know, maybe some party decoration? I don't know. I don't even know. I guess this is thinner crimps and bigger crimps. I have no idea. Gosh, how do I even feed this thing in? Oh, there we go. Oh, it works! It works, guys! Look at that! What you would need ribbon crimped for, I don't know, but there you go. That's what it looks like. Actually, it straightened out the ribbon because this was all bent up from being in the basement. But that is what it looks like. Kind of impressed. Kind of thought it wouldn't work. So we are going to be testing out the little body mold that I got. I plan on trying to make like a cute little fairy or like a little mythical creature out of this using clay. I'm not sure if it's meant for clay. It could be meant for resin, or even like I've seen stuff for like baking stuff. So it didn't really specify on Wish what this was made, and I'm gonna have all the pricing listed down below because I don't remember off the top of my head. And plus with Wish, there's always the funky like, it's this price, but like shipping makes it multiplied by 3 or whatever. Because, you know, Wish and their shipping prices. But I have some hands and then the face. I might get a different face because this one like doesn't have the eyeballs, which some of the other ones do. But so I'm just gonna take some of my sculpty clay and test it out, and I think I want to try the body mold. Honestly, I'd get a little bit more clay. I want to try this one. I feel like also people I have read use like cornstarch in these, so it like comes out easier. I'm just confused on how to like, maybe these are meant for resin, which I've been wanting to try, but I don't currently have those supplies, so I can't like try that right now for you guys. Or like maybe I'm supposed to do these in pieces and then glue them together later. I don't know. Oh wow, that actually looks pretty nice, guys. So that's like the chest and the stomach of a female. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I think if I had a lot of clay and did the whole thing, that would look really nice. Here, let me see if I can get more of the torso. The trick is just like getting the back and the front. Like that would be kind of frustrating. Unless I'm doing this completely wrong. Like, I'm not used to really using molds. I always kind of just freehand my sculpting for the most part. Like, I want to make sure I'm getting it all in. I'm gonna just not do the neck for right now. Okay, I think I got most of the torso. Oh guys, well, the boobs are kind of flat, but that was probably my bad. I probably didn't push it in deep enough. But like, look at that. That looks really nice. Minus the flattened boobs, but... and then like, clearly you would have to cut that away. And like, honestly, I wouldn't mind having to do like this portion and then having to do that portion. And then just like either gluing it on at the end or using like Bacon Bond or something like that. So probably my assumption would be that you would have to like make these separately and then like use Bacon Bond or Liquid Sculpty or something like that to attach them. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. So the next item is the wood burner from Amazon. This was about 20 bucks. The nice thing about this one is it came with a whole bunch of different heads for like doing different shapes and lettering or certain detailing. It came with a whole bunch of stencils, which is super awesome, like for different holidays, like Valentine's Day. This one's kind of like emojis, random stuff. Probably like wedding, another Valentine's Day, I don't know, like winter, Christmas, animals, like baby announcement type thing, like baby shower, Halloween, just some fun things if you're not like artistically inclined. Well, even artists use stencils sometimes, so it might be good for those of us who are beginners, such as myself. I've never used one of these before. I think I'm gonna go ahead and plug this bad boy in and switch angles so you can see the process of what it looks like from the top view. Before, but I've been dying to try it. So we'll see if I have any idea of what I'm doing. And we might use one of these fun little stencils that have hearts because, you know, art at heart. And this is just the back side of this thing, so I have to wait for this thing to heat up. I really don't know what temperature this is supposed to be at. I guess I'll do the higher one. And I'm doing it on this the back of this. So I don't, I'm starting to smell it. So I don't ruin the front if I change my mind. I think this one's for fine details, but I don't really know. I guess I'll just like leave this like that while it's heating up. I don't know, guys. Let's see. Maybe I should read some more of the instructions before attempting something that's flammable. So I got a couple of little streaks here going. Oh, I think this is loose. That's not good. But I turned it up to full volume and now it seems to be doing a little bit more. But this thing is definitely coming off, which I'm not all about. Oh, look at that. It's working, guys. I definitely need to practice with this. So I checked online. This is indeed called gold leaf. I was right. So I have seen people take the gold leaf and mix it into polymer clay. So that's what I'm going to do. I have a little bit. And then I already ripped some off this gold piece. But I'm just going to use a tiny bit and mix it into the clay. And you get some tiny, cute little gold flecks. Which I don't think you can really go wrong. Yeah, it's looking real cute, guys. And I've seen people make some really cute earrings out of doing this method. Usually they mix more than one color, like I'm just using white, but yeah, I'd highly recommend. Though I would recommend getting it off of Amazon because you can find it for as cheap as I got it off of Wish, so. So next we have our interesting laser scissors as seen on TV. So you know those are always super weird products. If you tap this little button, a laser beam comes out and you just balance it and follow that laser line. I'm not very good at holding my hand straight, so I'm not sure how much this is actually going to help me in the long run. Honestly, I could have cut this straight of a line with normal scissors, so I would not recommend these. I mean, it's kind of a funny gag gift if you're looking for something silly, but for actual usage, it was not great. And honestly, these are kind of uncomfortable too. Like the grip and like the plastic's really sharp, so. So this one is the wine bottle cutter, which I'm gonna probably have to film a later time because I currently don't have an empty wine bottle. But I am probably going to have to only do this at one angle, so instead of showing you me doing it here and the over top shot, I'm going to just do the over top shot because that way you can see it better, because I'm probably not going to have multiple wine bottles to cut. So yeah. Oakley dokley, I am going to attempt to cut this lovely wine bottle that I already took off the label, and don't be deceived, it was very hard to do. I had to use hot water, a spoon, a knife, and some Gooby Gone to get that all off. Ideally, I would have liked to have had a fun colored bottle, but this was just what I had. Some Barefoot peach wine, which is very yummy, highly recommend. And we're gonna try and cut this bad boy and see how it looks and how it goes. So I have the instructions that came with Wish, as well as some sandpaper. Okay. So, looks like it's supposed to go like that. And then, okay, so what I think you're supposed to do is just firmly press this. I'm not seeing anything. Oh, well, there's that line right there. That's not even. How the heck does this... Oh, there we go. Not the smoothest cut, guys, but it is a cut.
Hey Heartist, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and leave me some comments. And until next time, this is Brianna signing off, and I'm on my bed.